You know it's not a secret. I want to be your girlfriend. You're so fine, I want your money, so delicious. I think about you all the time, you're so addictive. Don't you know what I can do to make you feel alright? Don't pretend I think you know I'm damn precious. And hell yeah, I'm the motherfucking princess. I can tell you like me too, and you know I'm right. She's like, so whatever, you could do so much better. I think we should get together.